Welcome back to KPsKINGDOM, cooking with KP, and today this one's a beautiful winter warmer. It is my creamy fettuccine and bacon bake. Really easy to do and really economical. Alright, so here I've got a couple of slices of bread. It's actually a bread roll, which I've just torn up some little chunks, and I'm going to put that in my food processor. Right, let's give that a bit of a blitzy blitz like that. And we're just going to make up a nice fresh breadcrumb. Okay, this is going to be our topping for our beautiful fettuccine bacon bake. Okay, so so far so good. Put that straight into a bowl, just like that. As you can see, it's nice and light and fluffy, which is exactly the way we want it. All right, fry pan on the hot plate, and I'm going to be adding in about sort of 200 grams worth of bacon rashers. Right, I'm using a nice American style streaky bacon, and we're just going to cook that off. Now, I'm not going to cook it off really hard. I like my bacon just a little bit blonde. I don't like it crunchy. It's just not my style. You cook the bacon the way you want to cook it. Right, so I'm going to cook that off and render out a lot of the fat, and as you can see, that fat is starting to swim in the bottom. Right, I'm going to take that off, put that bacon straight into the bowl with the breadcrumbs with all that fat. Right, bacon fat is a flavor, believe me. Alright, so strain all of that off, just like I'm doing right there, and give that a bit of a stir. So that bread is going to absorb a lot of that bacon fat. Right, and it will actually change its consistency as you do so. Right, I'm also going to add in around about 150 grams worth of Italian style grated cheese. Right, I'm just using a Mexican blend. You can use the Italian one. I'm going to leave that up to you. Use the cheese that you like. Don't go in mozzarella, it will melt too much. Right, big pot of water, a good dose of salt. When we're cooking pasta, we want a good amount of salt in there. I'm going to bring that water up to a boil, and if you don't know how to cook pasta, read the instructions on the back of the packet. Pretty easy. I'm going to grease up a oven dish just with some butter. Yep, I'm just going to use the whole block of butter and put that straight all over the bottom of the dish, just like that. Normally I do something a little bit different, but look, I'm being lazy tonight, and you can be too. There's no problem with that at all. All right, our water is come up to a nice boil. I've got around about 300 grams worth of fettuccine. If you still don't know how to cook fettuccine, read the back of the packet. All right, we're going to cook that off to just a nice al dente type consistency, and we don't want it too soggy, we don't want it too hard. We want that Goldilocks type of consistency to that. We want a bit of chew to the tooth, which is what al dente means. All right, and once that is cooked off, just keep checking it, right? And if it doesn't seem firm or soft enough, cook it a little bit longer, but don't overcook it. Just check it from time to time. It's not that hard to do. Right, take that out. I'm going to put that over a bowl. Take it straight out of the boiling water. You're going to burn your mouth. All right, that can go off. We're going to strain that. We're going to retain a bit of that pasta liquor. All right, Mrs. KP has done that for me absolutely beautifully. We've got all of our fettuccine nicely cooked. I'm going to put that straight into the pot back again. All right, and let's start making things fun. All right, so 2 cloves of garlic, crushed garlic, that's going straight in, and yes, I am using fresh garlic in this particular instance, and give that a good stir. I'm going to add in about another 100 grams worth of mixed cheese. Right, give that a good stir, just like that. This is so easy to do, folks. And I'm also going to add in about 60 grams worth of baby spinach leaves. Right, give all of that a stir, and the heat of that pasta is going to wilt down that spinach in no time at all. Now make sure you stir vigorously, and make sure some of those leaves jump the pot and get all over the bench, otherwise you are not doing it right. Sometimes my hands with my MS just go absolutely bananas. So that's my excuse, and I'm going to stick to it. I'm also going to add in 300ml worth of thickened cream. Again, just buy that from your supermarket. Right, put that straight in, just like that. And I'm also going to add in around about another 100ml, maybe 150ml worth of that pasta water. In hindsight, probably didn't need it, but look, I'm going to do that anyway. I want to make sure this dish is going to be great for a night or two. Right, we're going to pour all of that straight into our little baking dish, just like that. Make sure we get rid of all of our sticking bits of fettuccine and spinach and cream and pasta liquor. We're going to put all of that straight into that oven dish. Now my oven is already sitting at 180 degrees. I'm going to now put our crumb over the top. That's our breadcrumb, the bacon fat, all that goodness. Sprinkle that all over the top, just like that. Right, and if you haven't tried doing a pasta bake before, well, this is probably one of the nicest ones that I've done, and it's not really gluggy like I would normally do with my bechamel type sauces. It's quite a nice light type dish. Alright, that's going off into the oven. I'm going to set that out for about 15 minutes or so until it looks something like that. A few torn basil leaves over the top. It's going to give you a little bit of greenness, a little bit of colour, and a little bit of extra flavour. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence to make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading and love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make another really inexpensive, fun wintertime dish just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After creamy fettuccine and bacon bake, and I will catch you next time. Bye.